In front of me is Nubia Focus Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard. Following that, you need to click on this microphone at the top right corner and simply start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, tap on the blue button with a white microphone. To start again, click on the same button, now white with blue microphone. If you want to go back to standard keyboard, use this arrow at the top left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!